was a very long day. I believe this is Wednesday, I think. And it's almost 10 o'clock at night. And there's still somebody else coming over to help me with this
What happened
trailer.
was, the front of my truck was like this, and the trailer is like this, and it was, yeah. So anyway, my neighbor Larry went to Madera to pick up a hitch, a weight distribution hitch that his son had picked up for me in Fresno. And I'll videotape that tomorrow when he brings it over. And then a friend of mine, Kevin, is coming back tonight to finish trying to figure out what's going on with the brakes and something else, the lights and the airbag. So I don't know when I'm going to get out of here, because I don't know where I'm going to be able to get the airbag, but it has to be replaced before I go on the road. So I may be leaving Saturday, Sunday, sometime next week. I don't know. It just depends on parts and what we need to get. So that's what's happening as of tonight. So I'll keep this part short, and I'll bring you back tomorrow when I know more about what's going on. Talk to you later, guys.
Hi, cat. Okay. It's been a bad couple of days. I wanted to be leaving today, but the wires on the brakes on the high-low, the wires on 3 of the brakes on the high-low were corroded, and I guess when they get corroded they break, so that's why the brakes weren't working. So a guy worked on them last night, and he's coming back tonight to work on them some more. And then my neighbor suggested that I get a weight distribution hitch, because the front of the high-low was really low to the ground, which brought the tail end of my truck really low and made the front of my truck go really high. So the front was like floating. So he put this on here. It is a weight distribution hitch, it's hard to say, with a sway bar. So yeah, he got that for me. Well, I paid for it, but he got it off of Craigslist or somewhere in Fresno. His son picked it up for us. So anyway, he came over today and he put that on and got these put on. And there's the bars. And we got it hooked up, and it seems to work really good. And I, real quick, like as soon as he left, ran and got in the shower. It was hot today, but that's done. Brakes are being worked on, and the airbag on the truck has to be replaced before I can take off. I don't know if that's something I can get in Merced, but I'm hoping I can get it in Merced. If I can't get it in Merced, then I have to order it and wait for it to get here, which will delay my trip even more. So, what? Can I say hi? Hi. Yeah. So, that's what's happening so far. I've got some pictures of the wires. At first, I thought the wires on the brakes had been cut. Sabotage. But according to people in the high-low group on Facebook, the wires were corroded because they're 2005 is when the thing was made, I guess. So, I tell you what, it has been a day, and I'm tired. But we got this new hitch on here. My neighbor Larry, got it all hooked up. It's a big one too. And the chains are on. So tomorrow I can, oh, and it's got the sway bar. So tomorrow the plan is I'll take this trailer to Les Schwab in Merced, get 4 new tires put on it. Yeah, 4 tires. And if all goes well, as soon as they're done, I'm headed north. Depends on how much rest I get tonight. I really don't want to come back home afterwards, but you never know. Anyway, so that's the deal. I'm all ready to go. I just got to put kitchen stuff in there. I need to get the refrigerator cold, but I'm waiting for, I want to say a stronger extension cord, but I don't know if that's the right word, so I can plug it in. Get my refrigerator stuff in. I've got 1 load of laundry going, and I've got paper towels and stuff like that that I need to wheel out there and put in there. Oh, more sewer stuff over there. Don't want to forget that. Anyway, so hopefully, keep your fingers crossed, I'll be out of here tomorrow. And tomorrow is Saturday, August something. Alright guys, I'll bring you back if I take off tomorrow. Bye.